guys, and welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys the chords and the strum pattern for this. So we're going to be using bar chords for this, and the first chord is going to be E flat major 7 to G minor 7 or G minor, G minor into F. Another chord we're going to use is the D flat. So E flat major 7, G minor, F, and D flat. Now the order of this song, it'll go E flat major 7, G minor, F, and then E flat major 7 again, G minor, and D flat. Just gonna play a little sample of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strum pattern there. What I'm doing is just going down, up, down. So down, up, down, down, up, down, up, always add some picking to that, so messed up. But that is how you guys can play the song. Check out my other videos. Leave a comment down below on any other songs you guys want to hear. Thanks you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.